How to change app icons on iOS 16. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open your Google. Here we go. Firstly, you will need to download pictures for app icon. Here I'm gonna search for Snapchat as I'm gonna change the app icon of Snapchat. Just type in the name of the app and add a icon. Here I'm gonna search as Snapchat icons. Now tap on this images option. And here you will find lots of options for the icons. Here I'm gonna just download few of them. After you download it, you can just close this app and then open your shortcuts app. You can get this app in your device. At the top right corner, you can find this plus icon. Tap on it. Tap on this option of add action. Head towards this option of scripting. Now tap on open app option. Tap on this option of app. Now from here you have to select the app for changing the app icon. Here I will be selecting Snapchat. After you select it, at the bottom you will find this icon of icon. Tap on it. Tap on this option of add to home screen. Now here you can give a name to your app and tap on this picture one icon. Select the option of choose photo. Now your gallery will open up. From here you can just select the icon that you have downloaded. I'm gonna set this one. Now you can tap on add. And here you can see that I just changed the app icon for my Snapchat app. Likewise, you can apply the same process to change app icons for other app as well on your iOS 16. This is how you can change app icons on iOS 16. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.